Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in information security, cybersecurity and ethical hacking, then this video is for you. Today we are going to talk about the latest trends in cybersecurity in very simple language so even beginners can understand why cybersecurity is becoming so important in our daily lives. So trend 1 going to be AI is used by hackers and security teams. Artificial intelligence is changing cybersecurity completely. Today, hackers are using AI to create smarter phishing emails, fake voice calls, deepfake videos, and automated attacks that looks very real. At the same time, security professionals are using AI to detect threats faster and respond automatically. So AI is like a double-edged sword. It can protect you, but it can also be used against you. That is why awareness is more important than ever. The second trend will be zero trust security model. Earlier company believed that if someone was inside the network, they could be trusted. But today, that thinking is dangerous. Now we are following called zero trust, which means never trust anyone automatically. Every user, device, and application must verify their identity every time they try to access data. This helps prevent internal attacks and stolen credentials from causing damage. The next trend will be encryption and quantum computing. In the future, quantum computers may become very powerful enough to break today's encryption. Because of this, organizations are already working on quantum safe encryption methods. The goal is to protect sensitive data not just for today but for the next 10 to 20 years. The next trend is proactive security instead of reactive. In the past, companies reacted after an attack happened. Today, security is becoming proactive. Organizations constantly scan for vulnerabilities, monitor systems, and fix weaknesses before attackers can exploit them. The idea is simple: preventing an attack is always cheaper and safer than recovering from one. Next trend will be cloud APIs and supply chain attacks. Most companies now use cloud services and third party vendors. Hackers know this, so they attack APIs and software supply chain. Sometimes attackers, one small vendors, can give access to hundreds of companies. This shows that security is only as strong as the weakest link. The next trend will be cybersecurity laws and regulations. Governments around the world are introducing strict cybersecurity laws. Companies are now legally responsible for protecting customer data and reporting breaches. Cybersecurity is no longer optional, it's become mandatory. Another trend is humans are still the biggest target. Even with the advanced technology, attackers still target people. Phishing emails, fake phone calls, and social engineering attacks are increasing, especially with the help of AI. One careless click can compromise an entire organization. That's why user awareness and training are extremely important. Next trend is cybersecurity skills will be in demand. So there is a huge demand for cybersecurity professionals worldwide. Skills like cloud security, identity management, automation, and AI security are especially valuable. If you are planning a career in cybersecurity, this is the great time to start learning. Cybersecurity is no longer just about antivirus software, it's about protecting identities, data, systems, and people. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to stay safe online. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.